this Tableau project, I built out several worksheets, each one representing a step in the process of turning data into insight. I previously practiced the structure in Accounting 455 with Professor Amy Ford using the Tableau guide and the assignments, and I've applied the same approach here. I have also continued building my skills and earned my IMA Data Analytics and Visualization certification, which has given me a stronger foundation and best practices for data storytelling and dashboard design. So I began by connecting to the data source and making sure the fields were set up properly. This is important because if the measures and dimensions are inaccurate, then the rest of the visuals won't make any sense. So I have step 2, drag and drop to take the first look. So to get started, I created some quick visuals. The bar chart gives a simple view of the category comparison, and the line chart tab shows trends over time. These first looks help to see what stood out in the data and where to dig deeper. So the next step 3 is focus on the results. So I've refined the data by applying the filters and calculated fields. And this step helped me to narrow the scope and highlight the most relevant information from the categories. This keeps the visuals clear and easy to interpret. So step 4, exploring geographically. So geography is a really big part of this data set. So there's 3 views, map views. The first is a field view, which shows the overall regional variation. The next is a symbol map to highlight the concentration. And then third, we've done a highlight map to make the comparison easier. So each map tells a slightly different story. Next, we've drilled down to get the details. So I wanted to break down the numbers further. So I built a stacked bar chart to show how categories contribute to the totals. And a tree map makes the proportional relationship stand out more visually. I've also included this circle chart as well as the pie chart for another way to see the category breakdown. These worksheets allow to drill down into the details and add depth to the analysis. So I've arranged the worksheets so that they flow together to include the, to start broad with the bar chart, to include the geography, and then finish the details and trend. The organization makes the dashboard easy to follow. I have also used the story feature to format the walkthrough step by step that we've just went through to provide the narrative to answer those questions in the story, which is what's happening overall, where is it happening, and the details to show why it matters. Structuring it like this makes the results more engaging. So next, I've shared my findings by completing the workbook and publishing it to Tableau Public. And this makes it accessible to others and gives a chance to present the results more interactively. So as I look back at this assignment and going through each tab plays an important role in the overall story. The bar and line charts give an overview. The map adds a geographic perspective, and the tree map and stack bar charts drill down into the details. By publishing it on Tableau Public, it allows others to also interact with the analysis. This project builds on the earlier work that I have done in Accounting 455 and also shows how Tableau can connect data, analysis, and storytelling into one process.